In the RBC Easy Clip hand rotating frame, you will find 2 side arms, 2 tape arms, 4 square neck bolts, wing nuts and washers. And finally easy clips that will vary in length depending on the size of the frame that you have selected. Take a side arm and a tape arm, fit them together by rolling the side arm into the tape arm. Next, insert a square neck bolt into the hole the opposite side to the countersink. Then place a washer on the opposite side and screw on a wing nut, but do not tighten too much. Ensure wing nuts are facing up and then twist the groove on the tape arm to face you as well. Then place the canvas down so that the printed side is underneath. Ensure that the canvas is parallel to the side arms and allow 1 centimetre overlap on the side from the groove. Then find the edge of the easy clip with the lip and place it in the groove. Twist gently so that it clips. Repeat on the other side again with the 1 centimetre overlap. The canvas will be slack at this point. Now you need to tighten the canvas. You do this by rotating the easy clips. There is an arrow on the easy clips which show which direction to rotate in. By rotating the correct way, it locks the canvas in place and prevents slipping. Once you are happy with the tension through the canvas, you can tighten the wing nuts. As you tighten the wing nuts for the first time, you will see that the square under the head of the bolt pulls into the wood, which prevents the bolt from slipping. If you have difficulty tightening these wing nuts, there is a Twizzler available, and if you're using the Twizzler, be careful not to over-tighten. Your canvas is now ready to begin.